んちくわ
私はちくわ、こんちくわ。Hello everyone, it's me, Chikuwa, and welcome back to my 1 minute Japanese lesson. I'm posting this series every other day, so if you're interested in studying Japanese, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join my family. And today I will show you how to make SVO sentence in Japanese. So let's get started. And today's lesson is gonna be very simple. So when you make SVO sentence in English, it's gonna be subject, verb, and then object in this order. But if you make SVO sentence in Japanese, it's gonna be SOV. So subject first, and then object, then verbs. For example, when you say I love you, it's gonna be I, you, love in Japanese. 私はあなたが大好きです。Or I eat ramen. It's gonna be I ramen eat. So 私はラーメンを食べます。Like that. And that is a big difference between English and Japanese language systems. So you guys always keep the cherry on top, but we Japanese people save the cherry to the last bite. So we keep the most important information to the very end of the sentence of our conversation or a story. So you need to be patient when you learn or talk with Japanese people. Yeah, and that is all for today's lesson, you guys. Well done. I hope my contents help you to understand and get interested in Japanese culture. I will focus on useful words and phrases and cultural information that you can use every day. So definitely come back and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye!